Welcome to the Sheridan IXD Physical Computing Tutorial Series. This video is for instruction in proper soldering tip care. Following this guide will prevent the soldering tips from wearing out prematurely. Proper care ensures the tips are ready for you when you need them. With the iron turned off and cool to the touch, wrap the entire tip in the solder from your kit. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to stay on and wrap around the end of the tip well. Balance the iron horizontally in a safe position. This will avoid uncontrolled drips of solder. Turn on the iron. It should be set to around 710 degrees. You should not turn it above 750 or below 600. Do not handle it by anything other than the handle. Never touch the wand. As the solder melts, the flux that's inside the solder is exposed. This flux will help protect and clean the tip. The tip should be coated with a fresh layer of solder every time you are finished with it. Add solder, a nice big blob of solder on the end. This blob will protect the tip longer. It'll keep rust from corroding the actual tip. Every time you use the iron, there should be a blob of solder to remove and a fresh tip ready underneath. A well-treated tip should look like new longer. The end should be shiny. If everyone follows these simple steps, our equipment will be ready when you need it next. Make sure you follow these steps and spread the word.